So I was riding down the street and I come up on this beautiful 2021 Bronco, and Lindsay and Ryan here are the owners. Tell me about your car.
Well, my girlfriend Lindsay here has been dreaming for the Bronco since I met her.
Yeah.
6 months ago.
Uh-oh,
That was
6
one of the
months.
first topics of conversation, and basically we researched it. We tried to build a few of them online, and to no avail. A lot of places said that you couldn't get them, and that meant for the Bronco 1 and for the Bronco Sport.
Okay.
So we thought, okay, we're gonna have to wait till 2022 to get this. And then Lindsay stumbled upon a few different sites, one being Capital City in Indianapolis, and another being Ziegler in near Cicero,
Okay.
Illinois. And I mean, we put down the $500 deposit at the Capital City one in Indianapolis, but the time of it showing up just didn't seem too feasible, so we nixed that one, and then we saw the one at Ziegler, and we rushed out and we got it.
There you go. Well, walk me around and show me what you got.
Couldn't believe it.
Yeah, it's an amazing car.
Pretty much.
It's a dream car.
Yeah, it's got 6 goat modes on it.
6 goat modes.
Yeah, it allows you to drive on an eco, which will save you on gas mileage when you're driving on the highway.
Yeah.
You got also a sport mode, which gets you right off the jump. You also have the snow and sleet mode, which allows you to drive perfectly through your snow.
Wouldn't work in Florida then, right?
No, I mean, with that, you'd probably want the sport mode.
Yeah, sport mode, yeah.
And then you also have sand and off-road. So if you're going to be out in the Outer Banks,
That would be Florida also.
yeah, Outer Banks, which it says on the side.
It's the Outer Banks edition.
This is
Yeah.
Outer Banks edition. That's why they have the sand.
Sweet.
Yeah, and it's fun. Hard to get a black one.
Yeah.
Got a black one.
Nice.
So far on the trip over this weekend, we've seen 2 of them. We saw the white one,
Wow.
which was reminiscent of a car chase that everybody knows about.
Oh yeah.
And then we also saw.
We're not going to talk about any kind of juice here in this video.
Right. Yeah. I mean, orange juice.
I think the best
Her
part
favorite.
is the navy leather interior.
Yeah, you have
Oh.
navy leather interior.
Yeah.
Open the door. Let's take a look.
Yeah, I mean, come on in.
Oh wow, look at this.
Yeah, you get in here.
May I
and
sit?
Watch the video on the screen.
Uh-oh, there's a video.
Absolutely sit.
Uh-oh, we got video.
What's it gonna be? It's gonna be the Bronco. There it is.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Right?
Got what the heck? The display even.
Yeah, you got a display of the stars and the
Dude, somebody likes Starbucks. All right, we got plenty of room back
Smells in
here.
Stockton, but that's cool.
Wow, this is absolutely awesome.
Yeah.
You even got a place to put your sunglasses.
Yeah, it's fun. It's got heated
Oh,
seats,
God, I'm
heated steering
fat.
wheel. It's all set.
This is an absolutely gorgeous car.
Yeah, fun to drive.
I believe it.
It had offers.
I believe it. Offers already.
We had a couple offers.
I've had offers on this, and my father said if my wife can't make the payments, he'll take it over. I'm like, that's not going to happen because we paid it cash, Dad.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, this is awesome. Well, you want to take me for a ride?
Yeah, you want to go
Let's
for
do
one?
Let's go for a ride.
I'll take you.
go.
So here we go.
So you got automatic start, and you just throw the key in, and you don't even have to. I love Dodge.
Yeah, you're ready to go.
Let's go for it.
All right, we're on.
So Ryan's giving me a ride here.
That's right.
Lindsay decided to stay behind, even though it's her car.
She did.
Oh, got the baseball game going on.
We do. All right, so we're gonna go up and around the block.
Yeah, no, don't have to go far. This random stranger just walks up on you and says, "Hey, can I go for a ride?"
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
It's because of the tattoos, I think. That's
Could
what it
be.
is. Wow, this is cool. We
Yeah,
gotta,
right?
we gotta do the Stradman shot, the famous.
There it is.
There it was.
Right?
Wow, this thing rides like a dream.
Yeah, it's good. And we're gonna throw it into sport mode real quick.
Sport mode, real quick. Oh, you just
Forget that. Eco Sport. You can see it on
sweet.
display.
Right on the display. Holy crap! Wow.
It's turbocharged.
Turbocharged is right. Oh man, I'm gonna have to get my neck fixed after this. Go see the chiropractor. I thought Duchess was fast. Wow. This thing's got some pick up and go on it.
Watch out, lady. Sorry.
Random
doing?
people walking.
Yeah.
Hey, at least you waved. Wow.
Yeah, it's fun to drive, man.
This is definitely a lot of fun.
Good times.
Oh yeah.
We got beers in the back.
Wow.
It's the Bronco,
This is definitely, well, it definitely bucks.
right?
That's for sure. This thing is quick.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, that was a whole lot of fun.
Right? There it is.
Well, thank you very much, Ryan. I'd much
Yeah,
appreciate
for
it.
sure,
We'll have to
man.
thank Lindsay for me.
Absolutely.
That way she can get some credit too.
Yeah.
And
For sure.
then, wow. Awesome. Well, there's the end of that. If you
Bronco.
like my videos, like and subscribe. Ryan says thank you. Appreciate it. I want to thank Ryan and Lindsay for that absolutely awesome experience of riding in the Bronco. You guys are great. Random stranger pulls up on you and says, hey, can I do a video on your YouTube? And you said, sure, no problem. That's awesome. You two are awesome. Thanks for letting me do that. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.